Most people think they are broke because they do not get paid enough or life is too expensive or opportunities do not come their way. That is the lie. Here is the harsh truth nobody tells you. You are not making money because your behavior does not match someone who wants to make money. Your intentions say, I want more, but your actions scream, I am comfortable staying exactly where I am. Let us talk about it. Most people are not broke. They are distracted. You are not unskilled. You are not unlucky. You are not cursed. You are distracted. People in the US spend hours scrolling, gaming, binge watching, daydreaming about success, watching how to make money videos, but will not spend 1 hour building something that could actually generate income. You cannot get rich using your eyes. You get rich using your hands. By building, learning, practicing, executing. Here is what hurts the most. You are not struggling because you do not know how to make money. You are struggling because you avoid the work that makes money. Money does not come from intention. It comes from follow-through. Everybody intends to be successful. Everybody wants more money, more freedom, better lifestyle. But intention is worthless. What separates you from the people who actually make money is one simple thing: follow through. You say you will start a side hustle. You do not follow through. You say you will learn a skill. You do not follow through. You say you will wake up early. You do not follow through. You have built a habit of breaking your own promises. And that habit kills your income before it even has a chance to grow. Money does not show up for people who try. Money shows up for people who finish. The harshest truth: your identity is broke. Stop thinking money is a skill problem. Stop thinking it is a knowledge problem. Stop thinking it is a luck problem. It is an identity problem. If deep down you still think you are average, not good enough, not built for success, then every time you get close to making money, you sabotage it. You hesitate. You procrastinate. You stop. People do not grow income. They grow into a person who can handle income. The successful person you admire is not just wealthy. They're different on the inside. Different habits, different choices, different mindset, different identity. Until you shift that, your bank account will not move. Money only comes to people who work when they do not feel like it. Here is a truth the 1% understands. Money comes to people who work past their feelings. You do not make money by being motivated. You make money by being disciplined when you feel like trash. Successful people do the work when they are tired, when they are bored, when they are overwhelmed, when nobody is clapping for them. Meanwhile, the average person only works when they feel like it, which is why they stay average. If you want money, you have to stop letting your emotions run your life. Feelings do not build income. Consistency does. You are choosing comfort over options. Let us expose the real trap. Most people are not broke. They are comfortable enough to not change. Comfort is the enemy. Comfort keeps you from learning skills. Comfort keeps you from taking risks. Comfort keeps you from building things that actually pay you. You cannot pray for a better life while living like the same old you. If you want more money, you need to outgrow the version of you that chooses comfort over progress every single day. Skills are not hard. Discipline is. Making money is not complicated. Learn a high-value skill and practice it and sell it and repeat. That is the formula. Not sexy, not flashy, not cinematic, just truth. But here is the part nobody wants to accept. The skill is not the problem. The discipline to learn it is. People quit after 1 day, 1 week, 1 failure, 1 moment of discomfort. You think you do not know where to start, but that is a lie too. You do know where to start. You just hate the idea of being bad at something before becoming good at it. Only one type of person makes money consistently. The person willing to be trash at something until they become great at it. Your income is a mirror of your daily decisions. You want to know the real reason you are not making money? Look at your last 30 days. Did you invest in a new skill? Practice something daily? Build anything valuable? Work on a side hustle? Focus on results, not entertainment? Or did you scroll, binge, overthink, procrastinate, repeat the same routine, and expect different results? Your income did not fail you. Your routines failed you. You do not attract money. You become someone money is attracted to. Final message. Reality check. Here is a harsh truth nobody tells you. You do not get rich by wanting money. You get rich by becoming the type of person who can handle money. Your habits, your actions, your identity, your discipline. That is the real currency. Start acting like someone who deserves money, and money will finally start acting like it deserves you.